Hey, what's up? So we're currently in Switzerland, and over the next week we're gonna explore the country doing multiple hikes. And we got the Axon Ultra here with me, which I'm gonna take along for some vlogs and for some photos. So let's get this adventure started. What's up?
Hey man.
So we just arrived to this spot and this is absolutely incredible. Traveling to these places is absolutely worth it for views like this. So one thing that really surprised me of this phone was the image quality in 8K video when it was getting dark, as I was able to get some really great videos and photos. Really impressive thing about this phone is the dynamic range. It's getting pretty dark, but on 8K I can still get really clean images. So I'm just gonna get a shot here. So you just tap here on the screen, you hold it, and then it locks, and then you're just gonna tap, hold the phone as still as possible. Do one more, and it's gonna gather all the information. It's time to make some food, and then we're gonna find a camping spot, and then hopefully we get a good sunrise. So a really cool thing about this phone, we can now shoot 4K time lapses, and we can zoom in a lot, and the quality still, it gives the quality really well. We made it to the parking lot of the second hike we're doing on this trip. It's a little gondola up, and then it's I think 3 kilometer hike through a tunnel, which is going to be pretty creepy and pretty cool. So we just got out of the gondola and there's no one here because it's a self-service gondola. And Juanma, you know where we have to go. Look, so this is actually where we have to go. Pretty creepy, but let's see what it looks like. So apparently there's a tree. I think it's here, but let's see what this looks like. So it's like a half an hour or 40-minute walk through this tunnel. Bro, that's pretty scary. That's actually pretty scary. We're so slow, so we're gonna wait for Alice now, hopefully he makes it. And then we're gonna walk through this tunnel. Mama, meet Alice. Alice van Jason. FPV God. Welcome. So we're now walking through the tunnel, and Alice says that it's 6 kilometers, so it should take quite long. But you should hear the echo here. Can you shout something, Alice? Sorry. Woo! So to get these cool shots, what I do is, I'll show you the screen now. The phone is able to stabilize very well, but in 30 frames movement is key. If we move slowly and steady, we're able to get some really clean shots in 8K that we can later stabilize. With the phone you're also able to switch between zoom and wide angle very fast, and in 4K 60 you have a wide angle that can capture the mountains perfectly.